quick little video showing the spin time comparison between the Lautie Muyi Chezz piece, the pawn, versus the knight. So you'll see they're actually a little different sized. There's not much in it. This is way heavier than the pawn though. Now I'm going to try to flick them the same way. Well, similar enough, right? But the pawn's going to kick off a bit earlier. Not a bad effort from the knight. You can see I didn't put a huge high-powered spin into it, just a little flick, and we're getting close to a minute off the knight, but a minute and a half over for the pawn. They're pretty good bearings in these things. These are just the stock bearings. I think you can swap them out for ceramics as an aftermarket, but these are just the stock, what they come with. Nice.